Hey guys, in this video show you how to indent on Google Docs. Now if you have this ruler showing up, you can just use the ruler. Look at this. So this one is at 1 inches. And if I move this to, let's say, 2 inches from the left, I have indented this from the left. You can also do this from the right as well. Let me go ahead and undo this. If you don't see that ruler, guys, make sure you come here to view, and this one is toggled on. Now another way you can go ahead and indent is you can either highlight everything. You can press Control A on your keyboard to highlight everything, or you can highlight a specific paragraph. So let's say I want to indent this paragraph. You just come here to Format, Align and Indent, and then come here, click on Indentation Options. So you can indent from the left, you can indent from the right as well. Choose how many inches you want, or you can do a special indent. For example, we have a first line indent. This will only indent the first line. So let's say by 0.5 inches, we can go ahead and apply. Let's see, this is what it looks like. I'll show you another one. This is the hanging indent. So I come back to Align and Indent, go to Indentation Options. We'll change this to hanging, and then I will go ahead and apply that. But before we do that, guys, let's change it to none. Okay, because we need to go ahead and get rid of this one. And then we come here to Format again, and we can indent, because we cannot indent first line and hanging at the same time. So once we get rid of that, we come and change this to hanging. There we go. We will apply that. So these are the indentation options they have available, and it's really that easy and simple.